y'all, what it do? Welcome back to Officially Coco. So, oh my god, this lighting is so bad, but I still want to show y'all everything that I got at Nordstrom. So here we go. Hold up, y'all. Y'all know I always come in here and gotta do some adjustments. So we're gonna get it right into it. So what I picked up was a new Geiger bag, and this is their new duffel bag. So as soon as I'm not sure how long it's been out, but I know when I saw it, because I never saw it in there. Like, I stay going through the website looking for bags. So I got this new duffel. This is the Quilted one. If y'all can see the detail of it. It do come with a long chain, and I think I got it in my other bag. So I'll show you. And then it had the Geiger right here. So it's all black embedded into that metal. So this is it. And then of course you got the black eagle head. Do I wish the eagle head was bigger? Of course I do. I wish it was a little bigger. But this is it. I guess I can go ahead and show y'all what I have in my bag. To be honest, I could have fit more things in here. That's a receipt. But for the most part, I just have my MCM wallet. I'm going to throw all that right there. And then it has a back pocket on this side, which is 2 pockets. And I just have my work phone, my Tory Burch wallet. I think I got my key card. Oh, I got some more receipts. But I don't want to take that out because I need to keep those in there. And then I got my female. Y'all know I keep my little female pads and wipes in there for the pom-pom. And then I have a mask just in case I got to whip that out real quick. I got my AirPods, which I need to put my other one in. Okay, I got that. And then I got a whole lot of stuff in here. My Lucky Charm little makeup pouch. So, and I got my, in case y'all hear something, I got the dogs in here. So this is my lip gloss and everything I got in here. Y'all, if y'all don't know about this hemp lotion, get into it. I got all different kinds fragrances of that because it is the bomb. I love it. Let me see if I can turn the light up. Brightness. I love it, y'all. It's really, really nice. And then I got this perfume in here, which is pretty good. I think I did a review on this. I can't even remember the name of it, but... And then I learned to get me a nail filer that I'm going to start carrying around in my purse in case my nails split. But I got something for that. I'm going to put some lip gloss on too in a minute. I think that's all I got in here. And then you got a back pocket. So like I said, you can get a lot in here because it has a back pocket and then Kurt Geiger all throughout the bag. And then you got the 2 pockets in the front, which I got my receipts in there that I didn't want to take out at the moment. But for the most part, it's a nice bag. I wish it was a little bigger. I was a little disappointed. But this is it. It's no feet at the bottom. But this is the bag itself. A little glitter. If you can see it. The little glitter of the bag. I mean, of the eagle head. But for the most part, it's okay. It's okay. I didn't like it at first, but I'm starting to let it, trying to get the hang of it, liking it. So the next one I got yesterday, I've been eyeing this bag for a minute, but I didn't know if I want to go with it at the time. But when I went in yesterday, because your girl got a Nordstrom card now. I wasn't looking, y'all. I was like, it's a long story. I wanted this when I was younger, when I really was real bad with the bags. And Nordstrom was like, girl, let me go and give you, and they did. So I was like, let me just buy something real small just to test the water. Because I'm going to tell you, it took everything in me not to get a YSL bag. I'm telling you, y'all, I was about to do it. And the YSL was like, girl, come on and take me home. I couldn't do it. But anyway, this is the strap for that duffel bag, the Kurt Geiger one. So I'm going to put that back on the bag. But this bag right here, I wanted this because we're supposed to be having a holiday party. And, and anyway, that bag is $2.99. And this bag that I'm about to show y'all is $104 with the tax. So let's get into how the bag look. Look, I'm gonna show y'all this. This is not, if this ain't the cutest little thing that they did when you buy it. Stop licking. Dog lick my leg. So this is the bag it come in, y'all. This is the little duffel bag. Too cute. So I don't know what I can fit in here, but I just had to get this, y'all. I feel like this is a little statement. This is too cute. And then it got Geiger London on it. Of course, you can't put much in here. I probably can't even put my AirPods in there. But the chain is right here. You just put it, and you could just actually just carry it like this. But, yeah, this is the inside of it. You just hook the chains here. And then you put it here. Like your cards. I probably can get my key card in there. What else? A couple cards. Probably my card holder. Not sure about the AirPods. If I put my AirPods in there, I probably have to take them out or take it out this case. But yeah, because this is a case. This is not, so y'all won't know. This is a case that I have for it. I think my phone about to fall. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. We're having an issue. Wait a minute, let me get more light in here. So anyway, but I like this part of it. And I think this tell you how much it is, which is right. Do it tell you? Yeah, $99, $9.99. Well, $99, not $9.99, because I would have bought all of them. But yeah, this is it. It expands out a little bit, not too much. And then you just close it up. Here it is. I don't know if this is magnetic, but it just closed. Let's see. It might be like magnetic, but isn't that cute, y'all? And then it comes with the little chain. Now, I do wish it was silver, like this was silver, but because it got all the colors in it, let me do a little spin around for y'all. Isn't that cute, y'all? This is beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to wear it. I'm just gonna have it like this. This is too cute. This is very, very cute. But again, this is $99. You can find this on the Nordstrom website. I can link all that information below so y'all can get into it. What is this? Inspired by our city, we believe in self-expression, authenticity, and distinctive design for the individual who wants to channel their true life. Yes, indeedy. Believe in it, baby. Believe in it. Design is what we do. Kindness is what we are. Geiger, London. I think the other one say that too. Let's see. Do it say that? Because I don't know if all of them say something different. Okay, this one's, yeah. And this one bigger. Sorry for all the lint and stuff on it, because I've been dog hair, everything on it. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all those two things that I have. If y'all interested in the duffel, make sure y'all get into it. This is a cute, cute bag. And I just wanted to make sure I showed y'all this. So make sure y'all get what you want, love what you want. Because I'm going to tell you, don't be surprised. You come back to my channel and I got that YSL bag. Don't be surprised. I don't know if I'm going to get the big one. I don't know if I'm going to get the little one. But don't play with me, Nordstrom. Don't play with me. So we shall see. So I want to thank y'all again for watching Officially Coco. If this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see more about handbags and something I might slip into or might get. So I'll see y'all in my next one. Live life to the fullest as always and be safe. I'll see y'all.